Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well and are staying healthy. It's just us right now at home. My parents left back to Kerala a month back, and my elder brother and family too went back to Qatar 2 weeks back. The house now feels so empty because for the past 4 to 5 months we had someone at home. Ever since we had shifted to this apartment, it was in last January, I was pregnant with Leon and was tired most of the time. I wasn't able to organize or arrange my kitchen and even the entire home in my way. All I wanted was to keep the stuff somewhere and let it be. But now I do want this home to be the way I want it. So I started with the kitchen and reorganized everything. This dish drying rack that I bought 2 years back has got rust here and there. Moreover, I wanted a bigger size too, as my kitchen now has a lot of space, unlike the older apartments. So I ordered this from the Temu app, not as good quality as the previous one. The previous one I had bought from Lulu, and it's much stronger and the best quality I can say. But the Temu ordered rack is a bit lightweight and not as strong as the other. Anyway, hope this stays for a long time. I took out some racks from the old one and placed them here so I get more space to place bowls and other. And that's the final look. Now for organizing my cabinets. I do have a sister coming home to help with cooking and cleaning, but these cabinets gets a bit messy when they start using the kitchen. I bought this drying mat from Trendyol, which I found good in quality. I'll share the link to all the products below in the description box. Now these videos were taken at different times and at my convenience because I have a little boy who keeps me too busy these days. Although my elder kids and husband are available to hold him, a mom's presence is what babies always need initially. Later they can be on their own when they get older. So it's hard for me to complete a task in one go like how I used to do it, or I could have done it earlier. Even my video editing, which I used to sit and edit for 3 hours and finish off, it takes me 3 to 4 days now to complete. But it's always a beautiful feeling to be a mother to a newborn and refreshing those moments I had missed in 10 years. It's like I'm revising the portions I had forgotten but were still in my subconscious mind. This is another saucepan I bought from Trendyol. It seems to be of good quality. I haven't used it yet. And this organizer is again from Trendyol. I wanted this for organizing all the lids scattered around. The final look is always different from the way I organize it initially. I keep changing the locations until I'm fully satisfied. This is a cute product for arranging bowls so that they don't fall when stacked on top of each other. Another one is to place these small plates. I guess this can also be used for placing lids. As I mentioned earlier, my work is not complete in one go. My baby wakes up in between and I need to take breaks from finishing it. But now I'm used to breaks. After the kitchen, I went over to this console table that's in our living room where a lot of stuff were placed. I wanted to empty all of it and keep it minimal. This tray was emptied from the console table, so I used it here in the kitchen. And this cup is something I love. This is again from Trendyol. It's very lightweight. Though I have help with cooking, my house chores aren't limited to it. I still have a lot of work to do. In the middle of all these, I still manage to get my me time, and it's of course not as regular as how I used to take it earlier. But still, I try to make time for myself, or else my frustration level will rise to the peak, which will only harm my mental and physical health. I'm planning to restart my workout routine, which I was waiting for. As I have completely lost my fitness level, my stamina is very low, and my energy level is always draining. By the end of the day, I'm very tired. So, to regain all that, I need to come back to a healthy lifestyle. A few of you had asked if we weren't going on vacation to Kerala. Here, vacation is already over. My kids' school has reopened. We got a few stuff from our homeland, from our cousin and family who had gone for vacation. There are a lot of dishes that always take me back to the days I spent in Kerala during my college time. One such curry is a scrambled egg curry, which we used to regularly make at my in laws. It's a very simple one to make in the morning. You don't have to make it a fancy one by roasting coconut and all such, but if you do, it will taste even better. This dish is something I would prefer to make when I have very little time. All I do is I saute some onion and tomato, add some spices, then I grind some coconut, pour that into the pot, and then add beaten egg. For an even more easier version, I add the egg as such and give a swirl. Then let it boil for a few minutes and the curry is done. Now this is a 2-tier stand that I bought from Trendyol again. It's a very strong one and easy to fix. I bought 2 and kept them on my kids' study table, each on one. And this is another beautiful, it is called cake plate, very pretty looking one. It's 6 pieces in a set. I wish they had dinner plates of the same. I would have bought that too. These glasses, I expected it to be a little more bigger size, but anyway, these looks cute. We'll have to figure out how I can use this for serving something. Another simple one, that's drinking glasses. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. See you soon with another one. Take care everyone. Bye bye.